Ever wondered what really makes your SUV tick? What's the difference between a turbo, a hybrid, and an EV? And what do all those numbers on the spec sheet actually mean for your daily drive? Welcome to Rough and Tough SUV Mantra. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of your SUV, the powertrain. We'll demystify everything from engine types and technologies to the real meaning of power versus torque. By the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any SUV and understand exactly what makes it perform the way it does. Let's get started. First up, the age-old debate, power versus torque. You hear these terms thrown around all the time, but what do they really mean? Think of it like this. Torque is the twisting force that gets your SUV moving. It's that initial shove you feel when you put your foot down. Power, or horsepower, is the rate at which that work is done. It's what keeps you moving and determines your top speed. So, for that thrilling off-the-line acceleration and for towing heavy loads, you want plenty of torque. For hitting high speeds on the highway, horsepower is your best friend. It's a balancing act, and engineers are always working to give you the best of both worlds. Now, let's look at the different ways your SUV can be powered. We'll cover the four main types: naturally aspirated, turbocharged, hybrid, and electric. First, the naturally aspirated, or NA engine. This is the classic, old-school engine that breathes in air naturally. They're known for being reliable and having a smooth, linear power delivery. Next, the turbocharged engine. These use a turbine spun by exhaust gases to force more air into the engine, giving you more power from a smaller engine. This is why you see so many small but powerful engines these days. Then we have hybrid vehicles. These combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor. The electric motor provides instant torque for great acceleration and can even power the car on its own at low speeds, saving fuel. And finally, the future is here with electric vehicles, or EVs. These are powered purely by electricity from a battery. The big advantage here is instant torque. All of the motor's power is available from a standstill, giving you mind-blowing acceleration. So, how do all these things come together to give you that thrilling 0 to 100 km/h time? It's all about physics. To accelerate quickly, you need to overcome the car's inertia and the forces of friction and air resistance. This is where torque, gear ratios, and traction come into play. The more torque you have at low RPMs, the faster you'll get off the line. Your transmission's gear ratios multiply that torque, and your tire's grip on the road determines how much of that power you can actually use. Let's break down the rest of the powertrain. First, gear ratios. Think of them as a way to multiply the engine's torque. A higher gear ratio gives you more torque for acceleration, while a lower gear ratio gives you a higher top speed. It's a trade-off. That's why cars have multiple gears. Next, transmissions. You have your traditional manual and automatic transmissions. But these days, you'll also find CVTs, or continuously variable transmissions, which offer seamless acceleration and great fuel economy. And for high-performance cars, you have dual-clutch transmissions, or DCTs, which offer lightning-fast gear shifts. Finally, drivetrains. This is how the power gets to the wheels. Front-wheel drive is common in smaller SUVs and offers good traction in most conditions. Rear-wheel drive is found in more performance-oriented SUVs and offers a more engaging driving experience. And of course, there's all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, which send power to all four wheels for maximum traction, perfect for those off-road adventures. Now, it's important to remember that the numbers on the brochure don't always tell the whole story. Real-world performance can be affected by a lot of things: the weather, the altitude, the condition of the road, and even the weight of your passengers and cargo. The trend in modern SUVs is towards smaller, turbocharged engines and hybrid systems that offer a great blend of power and efficiency. And with the rise of EVs, we're seeing a whole new level of performance that was once reserved for supercars. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of your SUV's powertrain. We've covered everything from the real meaning of power and torque to the latest in engine technology. We hope this video has helped you better understand what makes your SUV so capable. What's your favorite type of engine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Rough and Tough SUV Mantra, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.